Here we have the integral of x dividing by the square root of 9 minus 16 squared. And since we have an x right here, then none of these formulas would apply. But here we can just do regular substitution since we have an x on the top. This is the same as 1 and then times x times dx. And then we just let u be the 9 minus x squared minus 16x squared. And so du dx. The derivative of 9 is 0, and then derivative of x squared is 2x, and then times the 16 would be minus 32x. And so we have du is equal to negative 32x, and then times dx. And in the, we look at the integral, we only have x dx, we don't have the negative 32. So we can multiply both sides by negative 1 over 32. And this is equal to x dx. And then now we can make the substitution. So 9 minus 16x squared, that's just u. And then x dx, in the place of x dx, we have negative 132 du. And the negative 132, we can move it and place it in front of the integral sign. And then the square root of u, that's the same as u to the 1/2. And then the 1 over u to the 1/2, we need to rewrite it as u to the negative 1/2, so we can use the power rule. So here we get negative 1 over 32. And then again, the power rule here is for integral. To get the antiderivative, add 1 to the exponent and then divide by the result. So negative 1/2 plus 1 is just 1/2. So this would be u to the 1/2 and then dividing by 1/2. And so we get negative 1. 32 times 1/2 would be 16. And then u to the 1/2, but u is 9 minus x squared. And so here we get, in the place of u, we have 9 minus x squared. This is the answer. And here we have the indefinite integral of 1 divided by x times the square root of 4x squared minus 25. And so it looks like with this, the matching formula would be this one. And so if we're using this formula, then then we need to let u squared be the 4x squared. So let's do it, and then we also need to let the a squared be 25. So a would be 25. Take the square root of both sides and a would be 5. And then take the square root of both sides, and then we get u to be 2x. So the derivative of u with respect to x will be 2. So we get du is equal to 2 times dx. And if we look back at the integral, we don't have a 2 times dx. We only have dx. So we need to multiply both sides by 1/2. Then this is equal to dx. And then also right here, since we have an x here, then we need to also solve for x. So we multiply both sides by 1/2. So in the place of x, we will have 1/2 u. So in the place of x here, we will have 1/2. X is equal to 1/2 u. And then the 4x squared, that will be u squared. And then the 25 will be the a squared. And then dx is 1/2 du. And so here 1/2 and 1/2 were cancelled out. And then what's left is just 1 over u times the square root of u squared minus a squared, which is this formula right here. And so we get 1 over a times secant inverse of u dividing by a. But a is 5 and u is 2x. And so in the place of a we have 5. And then in the place of u we have 2x. And this is the answer.